Today, we're learning about ketchup. Ketchup is a sweet and tangy sauce that many people enjoy with fries and other foods. But how does ketchup go from tomatoes to our plates? It all begins on a farm, where ripe tomatoes are picked. These tomatoes are washed and checked for quality. Then, they are crushed into a smooth sauce. In a factory or kitchen, this sauce is cooked with vinegar and sugar. Some salt and spices like onions, garlic, or peppers may be added too. These ingredients give ketchup its special taste. As the mixture cooks, it becomes thicker. Cooking helps blend all the flavors together. Once the sauce is just right, it is strained to remove any seeds or bits of tomato skin. The ketchup then becomes silky and smooth. Next, it is cooled and poured into bottles. Each bottle is sealed to keep it fresh until it reaches the store. When you open a bottle of ketchup, you can taste the blend of tomatoes, vinegar, sugar, and spices all in one bite. Ketchup is a simple sauce with a lot of flavor. It shows how a few basic ingredients can turn into something delicious. The next time you dip your fries in ketchup, remember how those fresh tomatoes were transformed into a sweet and tangy treat. Thank you for joining this tasty adventure to learn how ketchup is made. Keep exploring food and always stay curious about what's on your plate. See you in our next adventure, little explorers.